In this segment, we will cover how to input your offer information for posting on the website. Log into the website using your username and password, and on the dashboard page, click the Offer Management icon. That will open this screen. You will see two tabs on the screen, Offer Listing and Industry List. The default tab is the Offer Listing, and it will display a list of the current offers you have posted on the website. In the upper right side of the screen, you will see a drop-down box labeled Associated Companies. If you are one of the few individuals who are associated with multiple certified companies, you will need to select which company offers are being input for from the drop-down box list. For most of you, the company displayed will be your company. In this example, I'm using Direct Energy. Here you will see a button to add offers. Clicking that button brings up this screen. You will need to input the requested information, and any information noted with an asterisk is required information. So let's say you want to add a residential natural gas offer in the Columbia Gas Service Territory. First, you will need to select the category and LDC from the drop-down boxes at the top of the form. If your company is only certified for one industry, you will not see the radio buttons for both gas and electric. You will only see the industry you are certified in. Select Columbia Gas from the drop-down box of the LDCs. If inputting an electric offer, you will see the list of EDUs instead of the LDCs. Then proceed to enter the information specific to the offer. In the supplier info box, the offer display name will be the company name you want displayed on the chart, and you will have the option of selecting the DBA from the drop-down box. In the rate information fields, select if the rate is for residential or small commercial, and if it is fixed or variable. Fill in the rate per CCF in this field. The field is formatted to 4 decimal places. For DEO, the rate will be in MCF, and for electric offers, the rate will be in kWh. If you want to input a rate that is based on something other than CCF or kWh, such as a flat monthly rate, type custom in the rate field, and then use the offer details box to describe the offer information. All the detail boxes on this page will accommodate up to 250 characters. Input the term length in months. Enter the amount of any early termination fees. If there are none, you need to enter 0.00. Use the early termination fee details box to provide additional information specific to the early termination fee. Input the URL address where customers can access the terms of service information for the offer, and a URL that customers can sign up for service. These will be displayed on the chart. If there are a separate monthly fee associated with the contract, you can enter them here. If not, leave the field blank. You also have the opportunity to add information for promotional and introductory offers. If applicable, click the radio buttons and input information specific to the offer in the details field. Once you complete filling out the form, click the Save button. Repeat the process for each offer you want to input. For electric offers in the first energy service territory, they will now be on separate charts for the Illuminating Company, Ohio Edison, and Toledo Edison. When you select First Energy as the EDU, you will also need to select which company from the sub-EDU drop-down box that will be displayed. To edit existing offers, from the offer listing screen, click the Edit button. Here's an example of a completed offer input screen. In this example, I'm going to change the term length from 12 to 24 months. After making the change, click the Save button. You'll see a message that the offer detail was successfully saved. To retire an offer and remove it from the chart, click the Retire button. Unlike the current practice where the charts are being updated weekly, the charts will now be updated on a daily basis at 5 a.m. every morning. Offers remain on the charts unless you either edit them to update the rate or other information or retire them from the charts. Staff will no longer have the ability to edit the chart information after you submit it, so please make sure that the offer information is accurate before saving it.